Hey, welcome back to Ripper's Garage. Today we're going to show you how to change the blast wheel assembly in a Arx Shot Blaster. First, we're going to remove the thumb screws that hold the feed spout in place. Then we're going to remove the feed spout. Next up is the control cage. We're going to loosen these two nuts, one at 9 and one at 3, that hold the control cage clamps. And then we're going to remove the control cage. We're going to rotate the slot to the top, pull the control cage out. Next, we're going to remove the control cage support bracket, some call it the faceplate, by removing these 4 nuts. Once we remove the nuts, I like to stack the hardware neatly on that little ledge, and then we'll remove the control cage support bracket. Now to the heart of the system, the blast wheel itself. I'm going to use that hammer handle to wedge in one of the blades. I'm going to use a ratchet wrench with a 8mm socket, remove the wheel bolt. Now I'll remove it all the way by hand. We're going to remove the blast wheel, just simply pull it out Next, we're going to install the blast wheel, carefully aligning the 2 holes in the back of the wheel with the dowel pins on the hub so it mechanically locks together. We're going to reinstall our wheel bolt. Make sure that you have no shot or debris in that hole. I'm going to put the hammer handle back in, and I'm going to tighten it down to German specs, which is good and tight. Now we'll reinstall the faceplate or control cage support bracket, simply assembling all the hardware that you left on your ledge. Easy access. So we're going to tighten these nuts down till the lock washer seat in 3/4 of a turn. That's all you need to do. Once all the hardware is secured properly, we will install the control cage. Carefully placing the control cage in and putting the bottom notch around 8/30 to 9, and the top notch is going to fall around 10/30, and centering with the blast wheel. Then we're going to retighten our control cage clamp nuts and reinstall our feed spout. Put on our thumb screws, and that's it. It's as simple as that, folks.